You plan to subscribe to?
Subscribe
to
to
Dex
the channel,
Media.
to Dex Media.
Alright.
Dex Media, one Dex Media, man.
What you know? May I ask you something, you know, man? What you think, say, females cheat nowadays? Why the females then can't keep one man? People. Go and like up the video thing, is it? Yeah man, make up yourself. So what's here? What they have here?
Here is Richie's Bakery, JK, customized cake, and them sell food and pizza and them stuff.
Okay, nice. So how much is pizza?
Pizza, that's like the chef.
How much is pizza, chef? Deliver, man. So you give me a price.
Extra thing man eat. I write the pack there with you, no?
Yes.
You know, say,
So what the place? So buff base there now.
okay,
Buff
nice
base.
place, man, eat.
Alright.
Development of one.
Yeah people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know, so your boy Dex Media. I'm here right in the middle of Buff Bay. I'm do one next vlog of Buff Bay. I cover up some area I never cover up before. But you don't know, say, them I fix the road, the draining system and some other things. So I'm going to cover up some area I never cover up yet. So if you're interested in a video like this, and if it's your first time on the channel, remember to subscribe. And please remember to bring up the like button. Bring up the whole heap of likes. We want at least 1,000 likes on the video. Yeah man, I'm showing you what I'm going above here. That's it. If people starting to can see what I'm going, you know. Take my time and show you what I'm going above here, see it? So as you can see them work on the sidewalk. Them fix the draining system. And this alright, when you pass the police station. I'm showing you one back view, I couldn't see what I'm going. Pass the police station and come right up. You know in there man. And come right up where the post office there. Alright. Alright people, so if you remember say on school there right as well. Your name Jum. And you have one you also have a tailor shop right here. Yeah. So we are past the Buff Bay Courthouse. Russell Avenue, Buff Bay, Portland. So you see the kids them are coming from school. Stop lie. Daddy now. Alright, so this is one little shortcut lane. So go to the library. Alright, so you have the pedestrian cross right there. As you can see kids them across. Leading to Buff Bay Primary. See me can get a little view of Buff Bay Primary. Yo, I'm a YouTuber, you see it? Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, you know. You're good? Yeah. Alright. Oh, see, you're the pan here going dating. How much you sell one for?
150.
Oh, 150. Okay. So business are going. It's going good so far. Yeah, man. Kids then support, you know. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Yeah. So Portland, you sell alone, you sell? You sell about the place?
14 points, you know?
Okay, nice. Yeah, man. Eh?
Find a woman, find a woman.
Foreign alone, you go yet? Okay. So you make them yourself?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good, man. Yeah. So how long it take you to make it? Take you a good while? Fast. Okay. Alright, bless up.
Yeah, man, respect.
Alright, so we're going for the Buff Bay Primary people. So Buff Bay Primary, is it? people, so we take the direction here now. Alright, so them have one little meat mart right here. Little meat shop. Alright, so we at the meat shop. I'm showing it earlier. I want to cancel the price of everything right here at the meat shop.
Me say man. Yeah man, I take some money here. I write the pack there with you, no?
Yes.
You know, say.
So what the place? So buff base here now?
Buff base, nice place no man here.
Alright.
Even when I go on I bought the place, you know, the decks or something, and you know, say, you have to big him up, and you know, say, long time you know, man, what kind of thing is, you know, say, you have to give me in props and things, so you know, say.
So the work thing is going there?
Right there, I want to go back and man here.
Okay, so you're the break now?
Yeah, the fan break and come buy some things to cook some soup, you know?
Okay, so if somebody there buff me and want somewhere nice like a restaurant, which part them would I go?
You can go soup, yeah.
Or monk, and this are the lick in the beer.
Yeah, this is the lick in the beer, yeah, soup, yeah, monk.
Okay.
Yeah, and chicken and chips, Georgie.
Georgie.
It's a Pete, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's a Pete, have a nice chicken and chips.
Have a nice chicken and chips up there, yeah.
So you have your name, support Mr. Pete, is it?
Yeah, you have to support Mr. Pete for real.
A good man, yeah?
Yeah, for real.
You know, so I say you go, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there, next side, is it?
Alright, yeah, bless. Alright people, so I'm gonna just walk through the lane here and bring on the through this fire station. I get a lot of requests. So you know, you guys want to see what's going on at the fire station lane. At the back of the courthouse. Over there, so you have one church. Off be a Baptist church. Right, so you have a little bar. Alright people, so you have one lane right here, so then call it a Benji lane. You see it? So I want to walk in and show you how I'm going for that lane here. So let's see it. So you have a little shop right there. So you have a medical doctor's office right here. Whole heap of big house around on the lane here though people, you see it? I go on a little view and I can see what I'm going for the lane here. Maybe we don't want to see what I'm going for the lane here, so I'm going to show you, you see it? So I'm going. Alright, so I find one little. Alright, here's the chops there. I print then do printing right here so and everything. Yeah, I did my youth. You're not the funny man. You're not the funny. No man, YouTube. You're the funny YouTube though?
Yeah, but me not post nothing.
You don't post nothing at all. How school you go?
Another day.
High school. So what grade you know?
10.
Oh, 10th grade.
Yeah.
So what in school over?
12 o'clock.
Okay. So
YouTube this time and everything.
Yeah, I understand. Tell the people them to subscribe now. Tell them to
Subscribe. Go over to Chernav's vlog and subscribe.
Alright. Yeah. And you hear what you say people? Yeah man, go over to our channel and subscribe. I remember so if you give video a thumbs up seeing we go and like up the video seeing you see it? Yeah man, make up yourself. So what's here? What they have here?
Here is Richie's Bakery, this cake, customized cake, and them sell food and pizza and them stuff.
Okay, nice. So how much is pizza?
Pizza, that's like the chef in there.
How much is pizza, chef? Deliver man. So you give me a price range about 5 bills, 1,000 now?
15 bills, yeah.
Depends on the size.
Depends on size.
Okay, nice. And this is the phone number or something?
See them
Phone number
there right
Phone number on the vehicle. Right, so you can call the number here if you're interested.
Create customized
Our people when they want to come to Jamaica, want to know when they can go for get on pizza, you see it? Alright? Cake done to order, alright, my G. Yeah man, big up on yourself. See it here people? Right in the middle of the lane. I think call the lane, Benji Lane? Benty Lane, yeah. Alright, so that's the biggest correction. Hello? Alright people, right now, as you can see, the road, the whole of the next dig up. But I'll show now I go and stay on yesterday, see it? So at this moment, no vehicle can pass right here. Yeah, Jenna. Alright, so I'm showing you say just grab a jelly people. Yeah, Jenna. Yeah. Yeah, I saw link there, man. See the people Jamaica style, and so we deal with it, you know, you see it? That's how we deal with it. So your spoon, you see it? Alright, so people, me show now what go on. You can see them are going good people, man. Them are going good. They really fix it up neat and nice, you see it? See the chocolate out there now. Pipe wire them right as well. See a bit things are going above pay people. The man are pushing cars. Yo, your vehicle bad door my yacht. How you get it from? How you sell fish? Fish yourself? Fish yourself? Yeah. Oh, fish yourself? Yeah. Alright, my G. Alright people, so right now we are continuing going to fire station lane. So buffet. Alright people, so we're at the Bay Parish Library right now, is it? Yeah man. General right here so now. So all things at the buffet now, my G. No change. Okay, but them me see like them a work, them a do project on in front there though. Them a fix the road and anything there though.
Get on the road.
Yeah, me realize that go on, man. You see it?
Storm now too.
Yes, Storm. I say me a hear say Storm a come to Jamaica, man. Whoa, so we have to prepare, man. You see it?
Yeah, man, I saw it going on.
Yeah, for real, my general, man. You see it? Yeah. So why best? Why our supermarket now, man? Shopping idea.
Well, the best supermarket on the fire must Judge
China. Yeah, man, I decided that place right now. Yeah.
So go and give thanks.
I go and give thanks and big up yourself. See that? Buff Bay Parish Library. Buff Bay Branch Library, Buff Parish Library. See the people? Alright, that's one little pipe that you can wash your hand in it. Alright, so what's your name? Oh, Pinky. Nice to meet you, Pinky. Yeah. Okay. So, what you want to do when you finish school? I already mentioned earlier that you're in 6th form.
Yeah, I want to become a soldier.
Oh, you want to become a soldier?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Alright, you eat patty?
Yeah.
Which one I patty them better? Juicy beef or tasty? Which one I think I better one? Tasty a better patty?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Alright, so I have a tricky question for you right now. So in terms of men and women, what do you think terms? You feel like a woman supposed to can please them man? Or it should be the two-way around? Suppose the guy don't want to please but the woman. What's your views on that?
That's not right.
That not right?
That's not equal at all.
Okay, it's supposed to be 50-50, right?
Even, yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to give her what she give.
Yeah, people, she has to say right thing, you see it, she not say wrong thing. Yeah. Alright, remember to subscribe, and tell the people to subscribe though.
Subscribe
To
to
Dex
the channel,
Media.
To Dex Media.
Alright.
Dex Media, one Dex Media, man.
What you know? May I ask you something to you know, my viewers? What you think say females cheat nowadays? Why the females then can't keep one man?
Boy, you see? Yeah, man.
That's a normal answer because she answer the same thing. The same thing she tell me to you when I ask her about the men. Yeah, the same thing you are said to.
They want so much money because maybe next man now give them when they figure it out. And they love money too, so they want money. When they want to give them money, they want the next one they feel give them money.
Oh, so then the loyal.
No man.
Then the loyal. Oh, so the solution that is there. Nothing can fix that right now. Okay.
No,
Yeah. Alright.